Today we're going to know how to fix high memory or RAM usage. What is high memory usage? How do I check it? And how do I fix it? And in this video, I will give you a brief introduction to high memory usage and tell you how to solve it step by step. And this method can solve most common Windows 10 high memory usage problem. Windows 10 high memory usage is usually related to RAM and virtual memory. Although memory is tightly connected with CPU and hard drive, the high memory usage problem still differs from high CPU usage and high disk usage problem. And there are common cause that happen when the high memory usage happen to us. It's like running too many programs at the same time, or registry hack, or defective program design, or startup program insufficient disk space, virus or antivirus, or other cause. And how to fix Windows 10 high memory usage. This is a lot of tips. This like close unnecessary program. If the high memory usage is caused by the computer running multiple programs at the same time, just like this, user could close the program to solve this problem. Or if a program occupies too much memory, user can also end this program to solve this problem. And the step is you can open your task manager. This is, you can search open task manager here. And you can see this is a lot of application and background process that happen in my computer. And now you can right click on the application or background process that you want to end up under process. And for example, I want to close this Windows Explorer by right click on your mouse. And you can see, you can end task here. And it's like that. Click end task. And next tips is you can disable startup programs, because some programs run automatically when the computer starts up. If user don't need this program to run at startup, they can disable them. And the way is same like before. You can go on the task manager. And you can see this is the task manager app, and you can see on the startup here, just click. There are no startup item to display. And if you have found any programs like this, you can disable startup program that you don't need, just like this. This is the status. You can make it disable by right click and then click disable, just like that. And next tips, you can use antivirus to make this problem solve. Sometimes the Windows 10 high memory usage is caused by virus. If so, computer user should run a virus scan of all files. User can run the antivirus program that they trust, or they can run the built-in Windows Defender if they don't install any other antivirus program. And now, for example, I want to tell you how you can click on the security and update that security. And then you can run Windows Defender by go to Windows Security, and then you can open Windows Security. You can see you can turn on the virus and threat protection to make it scan all the virus that in your PC. And the next steps is you can adjust for best performance. And how to do that? You just open your file explorer, and then you can right click on this PC, and you can click property. You can click on advanced system setting until you find the system property, and then you can click advanced setting here. You can click setting in performance box. It's like this, and then you can click adjust for best performance. Just for best performance, and then click OK. And there's a lot of tips that I can tell you about how to fix the high RAM usage of your PC. I hope it can be useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.